Welcome to JH. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the Apex Heat Pro Space Heater because apparently, everyone wants to know if this thing is actually legit or just another fancy paperweight. Stick with me until the end, because some of our findings are honestly more surprising than a plot twist in a low-budget soap opera. First off, a look at their product images reveals a pretty glaring red flag. Most of them appear to be lifted directly from the depths of the internet. Because nothing says genuine, high-end brand, quite like using stock photos that anyone with a Wi-Fi connection can download for free. Moving on to the specs, they're throwing around some big numbers like 1,500 watts of power and something they call Apex-grade safety. It sounds incredibly impressive until you realize there isn't a single certification or verified detail to back any of it up. Without transparency, these claims are basically just marketing fan fiction designed to make you feel warm and fuzzy before the heater fails to do either. Then there's the buzzword overload, featuring phrases like fast, efficient ceramic PTC heating, and engineered for safe, everyday use. It's a lot of fancy terminology that ultimately says absolutely nothing, much like a politician during an election year. If you run into trouble, don't expect a helping hand, because their customer support consists of a lonely email address and a basic contact form. There's no phone number, no physical address, and definitely no live chat, which is a great way to ensure you never actually have to talk to a human. When a brand hides behind a digital curtain, it doesn't exactly scream trustworthy. To top it all off, we checked Trustpilot and found exactly 0 reviews. No ratings, no customer experiences, nothing. For a product being pushed this hard online, having a digital footprint this small is actually an impressive feat of invisibility. So, is the Apex Heat Pro Space Heater actually legit? Well, unless you enjoy gambling with your home's electrical sockets, I'd say it's a hard pass. Between the stolen images, unverified claims, and the total lack of human contact, this product is far too risky to recommend. It's much safer to ignore the hype and choose an alternative that actually exists in the real world. Thanks for sticking around, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest updates that won't leave you out in the cold.